Can you see yourself in the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500? With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.